All right, here we go. Here we go. One more day. Let me enjoy the weekend. We're going to attempt to take it nice and easy today. It's a Friday. Lots of crazy movement this past week. Currently, every account is green. We just need to be mindful of our progress and just accept whatever happens today. Before I put this back to the okay, I guess we're gonna accept rhythmic going out on us. What's up, stock trader? Rhythmic decided to join us. Evan, good morning. You did you play the non-farm payroll? Looking at the hourly, we were going down. Had the FOMC, this insane move where we just go straight up and straight back down. Then climb back up. Then yesterday, that's when we caught that short. We came down, took out the lows before FOMC, and now we're going back up. Now we're back above. I don't. Jesus. Yeah, it's a risky play, especially if you throw size on. What is this? This is insane. On the hourly, we have all these. We have this high that we just took out. We have these two highs over here. Oh, 20 ticks. How'd you blow a eval with 5 points? Yeah, those are the moves that happen and they don't appear on the chart until after the fact. So all the movement is happening behind the scenes and chart can't even keep up with it. And then all of a sudden, next thing you know, there's a wick or a body that you didn't see it appear. It happened, and then it just prints a bar or a wick or whatever. I guess we're going back up now. Like the overall trend. So I gotta get through this leg right here, which looks like we're about 50% of this, or a little past it. I have no idea. I'm kind of lost on price on this. I don't know what to make of. Yesterday, I had a good read, obviously, with that short at open. But now that we're back above FOMC and we had non-farm payroll push us even higher, like I have no idea. I'm not sure what it's going to do. So we'll just wait for some setups to form and see if it makes sense for us to risk anything on them. Let's put the volume profile on here. let's see what we got going on with this guy. I don't really have anything. We don't have anything to go off of that. I only have a Quant Tower only lets me have a week's worth of volume profile. So on the 5 minute, if we get up in here, the only thing I guess I would be expecting is a reversal. I don't know. I don't have any real price action to look to see why we would continue up there, but I mean, the first move on FOMC was a push higher, and then non-farm payroll this morning was a push higher. So it seems like somebody wants the price to go higher. It's Friday. Do they end on Friday on a good note with higher prices? We also have the non-farm payroll move, which we could retrace back into there. At least give some price action down here, you know. I don't know. We're just gonna. I'll probably just go for smaller points today. No records today. We'll do that next week. Maybe we need to start taking this account seriously. I'm pretty positive I've only traded micros on this account. Edgar. Pretty sure this account, this Bullinox that we got 2 Fridays ago, we've only traded micros, and we're at 1800. So we have 2 weeks left. I think I may want to try just passing it with only micros to just show it's possible, because everyone thinks you got to use minis to pass stuff. And then if it looks like we're not going to make it, or we're super close towards the end, then we can switch to minis and go for it. But whatever we've been doing is working. Problem is, I'm saying whatever we've been doing, like I need to figure out why is it working this time. Now, do we run the bot though at this open? We've noticed that days with 8:30 news, the open kind of sucks. I just have a feeling though it's going to work today. We could just do 1 micro. No harm in that, right? Except our stop like not getting respected, and then goes further than what we wanted or something stupid. We'll do 1 micro. Both directions. Leave it open for... We'll do just 5 minutes. Let's just do 2 minutes. So at 9:32, we'll close it. 1 minute time frame. Offset 1.5 points. We're going to leave both orders open. As in, if we get tied into a long, I'm not going to close the short. We'll risk whatever size the candle is on 929. So 100%. 1 contract for 22 ticks. And that's it. We'll just do that. We'll just try that. Yeah, I was thinking about adding a second contract for a little more, but if I was running this for real, like on a performance account or a funded account, I would not be running it this morning. So we need to just run it with 1 micro. All right, here's my prediction. The open, we come back down to around the midpoint of this 5-minute candle, which is also point of control from some other time, I don't know. And then we create a little low, swing high, lower low, and then it turns around and goes higher. So what we're going to do is wait for that setup down here, and then I'll take that later. So I expect open to do this, something like this. Yeah. And then we'll wait for this to form, and then we'll jump in this for a long. That's what I'm expecting. Or that's what I'm gonna watch out for. What's up, McLovin? Five-minute high is up at 965 right there. Let's see if the I don't know if I'm focused. I'm just trying to stay vigilant. Is that the word? I'm trying to stay it's a Friday. We've had a good week. We just had a huge news event. We had freaking FOMC the other day, like, and we're green on all of our accounts. We almost don't even need to risk anything today, you know? I feel like today's it's just a high risk day personally, not anything to do. I don't think it's a high risk day for everybody, just me personally. It's Friday. We've had a good week. If I start taking losing trades, I could very easily get into that bad mindset, you know? So I'm trying to be aware of that and make sure that that doesn't happen. All right, let's see what this open does. Why is this candle got to be so large? It's going to risk that whole thing. Oh, I didn't even look at news, McLovin. I was too worried about looking at the chart. Somebody's speaking at 9:45. Yeah, PMI at 9:45. And then another PMI thing at 10, I guess. I don't know. So we'll just watch out for those 2 times. I figured this open was going to be weird. Yeah, I just wanted to run this bot in the morning. I just have it on 1 micro. I'm not really risking. It's risking $40. I mean, if it takes 2 losses, that's $80. But I'm just running it to run it to make sure it's running fine, just because people are using it. Otherwise, I wouldn't have run it this morning because I don't like running it on days when we had 8:30 news. But I'm gonna wait for a setup to form down near the 17,850s if we go down there. That's what I'm looking for. I think you, McLovin, you jumped on right after I got done explaining what I was gonna wait for. Yo, me too. 850 is close to 50% of that non-farm payroll move, and it has that point of control. If this trade does work down here, I'm gonna cancel those up there. We can't get 5 points out of a Nasdaq open. What is that? The hell is that? Oh, it cancels it automatically if we get full take profit. I forgot. Perfect. Nice. Okay, bot worked again. That's kind of surprising. I wasn't expecting it to work today. I also ran it. Oh, usually it only trades the 930 candle, but I ran it for a couple extra. I ran it for 2 more minutes today, so it caught the 931 candle, which was perfect. McLovin, yeah. So, I mean, I guess you're looking at the same thing as me, but I wanted to come back down here and create a little low, high, lower, low, and then reverse down here. So I think we'll just wait for that. Pretty sick that this trade worked. Too bad it was only 1 micro, so we made $9.78. Do you watch the volume profile on ES also? Wonder if there's anything to that where kind of like how we watch for SMT. Oh yeah, for sure. Because like there's got to be times where like ES may trade to its old point of control and turns around, and Nasdaq shows it doesn't really want to go there, so then everything reverses. I'm sure that happens. But again, we're just adding more things to get in the way of trading. I mean, I feel like I've been doing pretty damn good with just candles. So I know sometimes I don't show consistency because of my emotions. However, my reads on the market are usually good. I think it's safe to say they're good for someone who only looks at the candles. Gotcha. Today could be pretty boring too. I mean, market did a lot of movement this week. Look at ES. ES came down, breaking all the overnight lows, or not overnight, just all the lows between non-farm and now, and ES didn't, or Jesus, Nasdaq didn't. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything I like it just yet. Anyways. That open did, or no, not the open. That was pre-market. Pre-market, we went up and took out this high from earlier. We didn't create any fair value gaps right here. Otherwise, I'd definitely just be throwing us short on right now. A short might be all right. It's a small risk. Yeah, look at ES. And we swept the high pre-market, and then isn't that kind of what we did yesterday too? And then we target that 850 area. Yeah, man, look at ES. That's Nasdaq. Or we're getting punked out. I'm okay with it though, because that what is this? $50. Potentially a 100-point move if it went to that 850 area. So I'm okay with those odds. I'm risking excess $50 on this evaluation that we're doing pretty good on. So I think it's worth the risk. That's how I'm looking at it. It's worth the risk. I mean, barely. Not even up. We're barely up 10 points now. Do you need to watch ES? Because ES may come down to its 50 and Nasdaq won't. But I don't know. We'll just wait and see. Yeah, one micro. But I mean, if we get 100 points, that's $200, and then this account will be over 2K, and then we only have 1,000 left to pass it in the next 2 weeks, which pretty crazy that we've only. I'm pretty sure we've only been trading micros on this account. I don't think other evaluations I've had, I trade micros, but then some days I'll slap a mini on there for a little bump. But I don't think I have on this, but I can't remember. But this is also the account we've been catching these pretty big moves. Ooh. We'll probably go sweep the highs and then go lower. Mhm. Yeah, my PA's account that I'm trading after the stream, I only go for roughly 5 points. Last couple days, I've actually market moved quick, so I caught a couple extra points on them. But yeah, I'm not going for definitely not going for big moves on those. Yeah, it was down to 14 points. But there's really nothing here on the 1 minute, except for the fact that we took out the highs in pre-market and then had a little move down. And then I saw ES was going down, so I just, again, it was worth the risk for me. It looked like it could have been something. It wasn't anything. Now we move on to the next one. Nice. That's exactly what I'm trying to do. We have the one Apex funded and one ETF funded. I have been averaging over the 200 a day, but if I get 200, I'm accepting of that and be done. When you say rotate, you trade each one, like you rotate throughout the day, or like you'll trade the top step ones one day, then ETF the next day, or all in one day? I think so too, Jason. I just need confirmation. Oh yeah, we have this news right now. Gotcha. That's good. You don't feel pressured to trade them every day. Because I definitely feel like I have to trade them every day, even though I don't. I don't want to talk about my PAs that much because it puts too, like I said, it puts too much pressure on me when I talk about them. However, I will share that our 50K Apex account is past the 2,600 threshold. Which is a huge milestone for me. I've never had a funded account with Apex past the payout threshold. So I feel like it's like actually mine now. The caveat to that is I still can't take money out of it because I had a big winning day last week and it screws up my 30% consistency. So I still have to make more. So technically it's not mine yet, but I got to that infamous 2,600 mark. So try to take it out, Alito. I don't know. I think like I was telling you, I think it's better for me to build a buffer because I want this account to give me money every payout cycle. I'm going to lower my chances if I eat into my drawdown. Yeah, that's insane. What did we get down to? 17.4? Damn. Just yesterday, right? 5.2. Just yesterday. Yeah, we've been up 600 points since yesterday. It's insane. Yo, don't ask me. I thought we were going lower at the open. I still think we do go down there. I wanted to see price come back down here, and then I was gonna long this. Oh, we're in a daily fair value gap. Nice. I need a different chart. Or I need another chart. Where is it? Daily. We are in a daily gap. But this daily gap is also 100 points. Tyler, I don't know how the hell you keep up with all of that. I don't do anything. The biggest reason why I trade only candles is because I'm lazy and I don't want to have to keep up with multiple things. So I'm lazy and I just want to watch candles. What's going on? We had a bot win this morning. A little one. I wasn't certain it was going to work this morning, so I scaled it way down, but we made $10 off of it. Then I took a manual trade and gave some back. Yeah. Market was kind of hard to read. I had a short up here, right there, a short, which obviously didn't work. But in my mind, it was worth it because it was a risk of 23 points, 24 points, and we were targeting 100. Yeah, we have news at 10. So risk 25 points, potentially make 100 is pretty damn good. God. Yeah, it wasn't. Don't blame Delta. It wasn't his fault. Because the last few days where I long the highs, and then Delta, we were saying it's Delta's fault for taking losing trades. So Delta was saying it wasn't his fault that I took this losing trade because he wasn't even watching it. Yo, maybe this isn't coming back. We're just going to keep going higher. We're up here above these highs from middle of last month. I don't remember what this drop was. It's a pretty strong move on the 15-minute from back then. Could go up to this order block here at 18.1, maybe. Yeah, the daily I saw that gap. It's a 100-point gap, so I don't know. Could fill it in. You know, there's plenty of times where we wick past gaps and then it comes all the way back down. So it'd just be a slow grind up the rest of the day. Maybe we switch to minis and just scalp on this. Or, here's a thought. Nobody's forcing me to take a trade today or any more trades. That's boring. And my friend Knives always says, being a millionaire is not boring. So we can't do boring things. As soon as we long, it's going to reverse. And if you short, it's just going to keep grinding up. See what the snooze does. While we wait, I need to go get more coffee. I think, yeah, I'm about out. I'm with you, Delta. I almost think too many people could be trying to short this, so that gives the market a reason to just keep going higher. Market's going to do what does the most damage to retailers, right? That's going to be the high. $54.25. High of the day. All right, here comes the news. Oh, damn, McLovin. McLovin's not waiting for anybody. Oh, Jesus Christ. What the? That's what I was talking about this morning, Evan. I don't know if you're still here, but that candle just appeared. It didn't trade. It didn't. Usually we watch a candle trade and slowly print. That candle just popped up out of nowhere. Price was price was down here, and then all of a sudden price was just up here. The high was 1850 exactly. What the? That's so stupid. Check your chart. Oh damn, you got a how many was that? How many minis? God damn. Did you pass the account? That's 3.5 or 3.75 times 7 times 20. That's 525, right? Yeah, you're not nowhere near close. Well, a short might be. We might be ready for a short. 15 divided by 4, it's 3.75 points times $20 times 7 contracts. That should be 525. Oh, but you said you got positive slippage. Yeah, you should. Yeah, you need to aim for more. The problem is, you aim for more on a news event that always goes 50 points, and then the time you do it, we don't go that far. Usually, what happens? We gotta. Port one right there. If we come up a little higher, we'll add. And then if we break down here, we'll add another one. Yeah, that was a good call, Tyler. Good call. We're gonna have to put you behind a paywall so we can make some money off of these, off your reads. We'll put this on members only chat. And then, and if you want to hear from Tyler, you got to pay. Oh, damn. ES is all the way back at its lows. I hate selling on a red candle, but we didn't come back up. But I would like to be in 2 contracts for this. I guess we don't have to be. We'll wait for an opportunity. I still want 8. I still want 17,850. Is that too much? Is that too far, you think? All right. Orders are in. $17,850 is right here. How many points is that? That should beat our record. 121 points we're looking at. Is Friday the day we beat this record? Look, it's not even that far. We just got to go from here to here. It's barely anything. We'll start talking about, instead of points, we'll talk about in inches or millimeters. On a retest of the 10, I don't want to go back up there. Oh, the open. Oh, the 10 o'clock. Okay, the bottom of the 10 o'clock wick. I thought you were talking about the high. Oh my God. God, this room gets so freaking hot because my computer. I was looking at ways to I might basically put like a dryer vent in this room and vent my fans out of the house, because this room is quite literally 20 degrees warmer than every other. Or this room is, yeah, this room is 20 degrees warmer than any other room in the house. ES is all the way back at this low. If it can crack this and get a pretty strong, I mean, ES or Nasdaq is going to be right behind it. God damn it, ES. We're about to secure a 5-minute fair value gap, but it's not really breaking any swings. This 5-minute right here. You know, I just want it to go there, and then we don't have to be in this anymore. I think it is, because I don't remember seeing that. Yeah, I think that's today's. Yeah. Right. Damn, imagine we go all the way back down there. Maybe we take one off here. Get our record in for the day. Or I keep forgetting you guys only see one chart now. Maybe we take one off. If this pans out, we take one off at 850, secure our record, and then we hold for the down here. That'd be insane. Oh yeah, Jason was in a. Jason, you held that short that you were in before the news. Let's I'm gonna break these out into two. Or no, we'll wait. We'll take one off there and then put a trailer stop if for the last one if it goes down there. We're up 50 points, or it keeps tapping it like 47, 48, 50-ish. If I aim for 50 points, I think I could have a much higher win rate. Yeah, I need to know what's going on with Jason, because he was short before that. This candle freaking spiked up, so I don't know if that took him out or... Oh, okay, yeah, I missed that. Come on, Nasdaq. You got this. Think of all the people who longed. Think of all those sweet, sweet stop orders you want to go down there and take out. Oh, nice invest. It's a pretty good Friday. Both Nasdaq and ES are putting swings right beneath that one. We don't want to see that. No, Tyler, come on. I don't want to deal with that. Just get in now with me, and you can write it up, and you can add up there. That way we're in this together. There we go. Maybe not. $9.13. Oh, all those lows, yeah. What is this? This is 120 points if we can get that. ES is going. Look at ES. ES is down there. Come on, Nasdaq. There's 913. What I don't want to see is ES have a reversal pattern when Nasdaq didn't get down to its midpoint of that candle, of that non-farm payroll candle. Is VWAP down there? Starting to debate just getting out because this is stupid. Just getting out, taking my 50 points and being happy with that. Oh, but I really want 120. I need to make like a bot that automatically replaces VWAP with like brackets that say redacted. I think in I could probably add that. I could probably add VWAP to a list of banned words in YouTube. I don't know if that's like a thing. That would be funny though. Let me see. I need something to keep my mind off this trade. I don't think it works for I don't think it works for chat. I think it works for comments on the regular videos. Yeah, I remember that game was so freaking hard. Let's see here. There ain't no way. That's impossible. Were you just hitting random buttons and you just happen to get a good stride going? Locked words. All future comments containing or closely matching these words will be held for review. Live chat messages containing or closely matching these words will be blocked. All right, let's try it. VWAP. All right, I just saved that. Someone entered, try typing VWAP in there. Yo, we're at 75 points. It's not coming through. Does it tell you anything? That's awesome. All right, I need to go find where that was so I can take it off. That's hilarious. Oh, it just doesn't show it up. It doesn't show up for anyone else. All right, I'll take that off. That's funny though. Okay, you may speak of VWAP again. See, ES is at the 50%, and Nasdaq is not. I don't like that. Nasdaq is not showing. Let's go down there. We take our 50 point. Oh, we're back at 50 points. Come on. This is what I was worried about. On the 5-minute, Lucid, these guys right here, this. Yeah, this is what I didn't want to see. I didn't want to see freaking ES go to the midpoint and then we get a reversal, and this looks like we're getting a reversal. We also do have that gap that it created up here that, I mean, that would freaking absolutely suck balls to go back up there, but it's a possibility. I mean, we're back to break even now. We were just up 70 points and we're at break even, so no point in getting out of it now. Just get out and long, Delta. Nah, I still, we got this. Yes. I need to have, I'm sure you've seen on Twitch, or I mean, people on YouTube do it too. Like if you subscribe, like a little thing pops up. We can have it when someone, we could have like different ICT keywords and that little, a GIF of that with that music or sound plays. I think this is still okay for shorts. This is just a short-term long setup. Go right back up to, we could go back up into that. That's a 5-minute. Yeah, I'll try to make that. I have to link my YouTube account with Streamlabs, and back when we were doing the giveaways, I was trying, and like some of their stuff works, some of their stuff like I couldn't get to work very well. They were more designed for Twitch, and then they ported everything over to work with YouTube, and I feel like it doesn't work as well. But I'll try again. You had a long there, Lucid? Oh, that's a good idea. We could switch up the keyword every once in a while. Oh, you were sure. Oh, you closed when we broke that double bottom, right? I gotcha. And the 5 minutes pretty ugly. I don't think so. One stop. Don't worry, I'll be there soon. I don't know. I'm just going for a consistent. But if we build up like 10, 20 accounts and they're all printing $2,000 every couple weeks, it's quite a bit. Good call. Good call, invest. Yeah, take your 800 and get out of here. Correct. Quantower, or I think most platforms combine the two, combine your entries. So I just have one position with two contracts right there. I don't know where my entries were at. I've been taking those off because I don't like the way they look. We had one up at 8.6 and then one at 5.8, and then our average is at 9.71. Damn, Jason. Total 40 points. Well, yeah, or 40 points from my position. So if I exit right now, we'll get 40 points on each contract. This is a nice looking little long, but I would like it to fail. But you know damn well if I wasn't in a short, I'd be taking a long here, hoping for us to go higher. But the only thing, we have this 5-minute fair value gap that we could reach up into there and hit that and then turn around, hopefully. I don't remember what the hell that is. Delta. My short was just based off of this run up, taking out highs, and this 5-minute being pretty strong to the downside. Oh, I noticed. Wait, Monday. What day was Monday? The 29th. Oh, mine doesn't my 29th doesn't extend. Mine stop whenever price hits it, I think. Yeah. Why are there two here? I think this is the 29th. No, it's the 28th. What the hell is this? Here's the 29th. Price didn't, for me, it didn't come down there. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Maybe if I buy maybe if I have more than a week's worth or something, I don't know. It's supposed to be, depending. I mean, you can. I have mine set up to do a day, but you can set it up to do whatever you want. I did. Mine is set to do at 6. Yeah, because it. See how this is set at, wait, at 20, right? Is that, yeah, that's 6. The volume thing starts at 20. Yeah, like McLovin said, you can set it up to start and end wherever you want. Oh my god, this freaking trade. I'm getting irritated, but it's also because I'm burning up in this room. I'll be right back. Really need this to respect that 5-minute gap up here. Yeah, it's a real shame when you let a 80-point trade go to come back into the red. That's skill. Nobody out there is teaching that, you know. You got 42 points? That's pretty good. Or were you in at 42? Oh, 42 bucks. Nice. Take it. Good. Oh my god. Oh, I better not, Tyler. God, don't say that. You know, we're still in the short. Yeah, if you want to do that, I'll just throw the lines on there. Do you still use it if it... See how, like, this one stop, or... See how this point of control stops because we traded through it? Do you have yours doing that, or you have them all sent through? I don't know what I said. Like, you have all of them all week. They trade up until wherever we are, or it stops. I don't know. I don't think one stop. Everyone here is on sim accounts. It's not doing anything. Okay. Yeah, these... That's as far as I can... I can't put these any further. It's just set to stop, I think. Extend POC until intersection. Yeah, I can't extend it any further. I mean, I could pull it up on Trading View, right? I don't even want it to go up there, Tyler. Freaking sucks. We had 80 points. Mm. Oh, the open. Okay, yeah. Day 2 at 2 minutes and 25 seconds or 2 hours and 25 seconds? Let me copy that. Oh, heyo. A long time ago, I would use the VWAP with those standard deviations. Basically, whatever. Same similar setup to Matt. Looking good with that reaction off the 5 minute. Right. Um, this account is super green right now because I was trying to take a quick scalp on my ETF account and I accidentally had it on this Bullinox with 3 minis. trying to put it on I put it on the wrong one. See our we were down 50 and now we're up freaking 200 because I accidentally put it on this account and I wanted to trade it on the ETF account. Not. I can take this trade while you guys are here. I just don't want to show. I just don't want you guys watching what I'm doing and stuff just because I don't want the extra pressure. Don't worry, Delta. I'm not gonna fret over it. Oh my god, your humor is hilarious. Yo, I don't freaking care. I'm not trying to be fake or anything. I want to get payouts with these. Like, I need them for my personal life. So if that means cutting you guys out so I can try to do a little better and just not have the extra pressure, then so be it. I always said when I first started doing YouTube, if it ever starts to affect me negatively, you guys are gone. And with these two funded accounts, I really would like to get them to payouts. So I'm just trying to take any precautions I can. Oh yeah, I've done that, McLovin. Take like a really good winning trade, and it's on a complete practice account. Has nothing to do with evaluations or anything. I mean, I just did that. That one trade I would have been done with ETF, but I freaking put it on that Bulinox account. Why were you denied? Did they give you a reason? Oh, yeah, that's where I'm at with my Apex account. I have one day that's over the 30% currently, so I still have to make more. I'm past the 2600 for the 50k, but I have to get to like 35, I think, or something like that now, which is perfectly fine. I didn't want to. That forces me to create a buffer, so, and it gives me 2 more weeks for the next payout in the middle of next month, or the middle of this month, I mean. So it's a good problem to have, I guess. Otherwise, I was kind of putting too much pressure on myself to try to get to the payout by today. But then I would only take out wouldn't really be able to take out much. All right, ETF now is up 236. That's all I want to do on that account for the day. Yeah, I've only ever had the one payout from frickin' Top Step, and that sucks because we had two fundeds that were both at payout levels, and I only took what did I take out of that? I think I only took like 700 or 800 out of one account, and both of them were at like, I think I was at almost 6,000 between the two of them. Sounds good, McLevin. Yeah, I would like to hold till 850. Be right back. I gotta go get my laptop. Yeah, I want to hold one micro to there, and then, I mean, if it looks like it's a strong move, then we'll hold one micro further, but we'll see. We will see. Hold on. Give me like 1 second. Yes, it does. 5 minute looks real bad. It looked bad earlier too when we got in this stupid trade. Oh, come on. Don't start doing this. Thanks, Delta. You have a great weekend. Oh, come on, Nasdaq. Might start thinking about just killing this soon. I mean, we're at 50 points. All right, and there's 207 on our Apex. Okay, I can trade it on stream. I just can't have you guys seeing the trade that I'm in because it's too, like, I don't know. I start making my decisions thinking like, oh, maybe everyone else thinks this is a bad trade, or maybe I shouldn't hold this anymore. I need to do what I think is best. So I'm just going for a little scout. I'm just going for a few points with a little bit of size, and I'm willing to hold. I'm willing to hold a little bit more than what the wins are because I'm just going for a high win rate. So, and I've done that on evals, but as soon as I switch to funded accounts, I'm always like, oh, I can't hold this. Like, let's just say, for instance, I go after 5 points. I always kill it if I'm in more than 5 points of drawdown. When in the evaluation, when I was killing it, I would hold a little bit longer just because Nasdaq moves up and down constantly. So maybe I'll get burned one day. I don't know, but it's working out. Our here, I'll show you. What I did was just short. I shorted at 921. We were coming down. I wanted to see this break, and we didn't quite break it. We started going back up, so I was just holding, waiting for the break. Once we broke it here, then I took a couple points with two minis to give me 207. That's all I'm aiming for on this account. Like I said, or I think I said, and I'm not sure, the other day I ended up getting a little more than the 5 points, so we got a nice little bump. But I was gonna wait to even show you guys my total P&L until we got closer to payout, just because once I show you guys and tell you where I'm at, then it's like, oh, I don't want to show them that I took red trades and now I'm back down here. That's the pressure I'm trying to avoid, but we probably won't go over it every day. It's just today I've been on here super late, and I don't normally trade past 11, so I kind of wanted to see if I can get those trades out of the way. So here's the Apex. Today we're up 215 with just the one trade, and look at my balance. I'm super proud of that. I've never made it past the 2600 threshold. Again, I have to get to like 35, I think. Hopefully I can get a payout so I can buy a different light, because one's going out. Let me tell you what I have to get to. I had $1,000 day, so I have to get to 3,600 in order to get a payout, but we got 2 weeks, so I can't take money out of it yet. I have to get to 3,600 because the 30% rule. But we have until the 20th, so we got 10 more trading days to go like $600. I think I can do it if I go after $200 a day. Oh, it's time to get off this stream because I'm getting pissed with this light. I'm paying the 85 monthly on this one. My goal is to get, okay, if I get to the 3,600, ideally I'll get to 4,000 before the next payout cycle, and then my goal is to take out 2,000 every 2 weeks, or every payout cycle. If I can have a $2,000 buffer to work with. Oh, that light's staying off. And then here's our oh word. Here's our ETF account. This is the one this is day 3. We did 245 today. So again, aiming for this one, I'm aiming for 5 points, but I used 3 minis on it. I don't think I got the 3 points, but we'll take it. This one we have to do 15 trading days, and I have to get to 3,100 in order to be allowed a payout. And we're almost halfway there in 3 days. And we still have 12 more trading days to go. ETF is cool though, because once you get through the first payout cycles, like the first 4 or the first 3 that are, they limit you to 15 trading days and a certain amount. Once you get past that, you can take withdrawals, I think daily. I think daily. If all I had to do was aim for 200 a day to be consistent and take the trades off stream without you guys, I'm going to be pissed at all of you. Thought you guys were helping me and you're sitting here hurting me. I mean, we secured a green day on this Bull and Ox because I accidentally traded 3 minis on it. But I really wanted our record here. Damn it, I was hoping to pass this with just micros. Maybe I should take a loss. Is anyone doing anything important this weekend? No? Cool. Nice. You guys are just chilling. Yo, outdoors is going to be outdoors. It's supposed to start pouring here today for the next like 10 days. I guess I'll just be inside gaming. All right. This should not come back up above here. So I'm putting my stop there. Where are you at? You don't have to give me a precise location. Just curious. I mean, if you want to give me your address, I'll take it, I guess. I'll jot it down, but Lake Superior, Duluth. Damn, you're way up there. How far do you live from the lake? I want to visit that area. Colorado. I have some one of my best friends lives out there. Eli. The hell is that? I guess by Duluth. I have like an obsession with looking at places on Google Maps. Wait, Oh, Minnesota. Damn, Jason, you're way up there. Western Colorado. Yeah, my friends live on the, they live in, north of Denver. Wait. Okay, no, never mind. Never mind. Jesus, you are basically Canadian. Hell yeah, Diego. Watch some good psychology videos, get you ready for next week. All right, this is what we're gonna do. I don't want to sit here anymore. We're gonna get out of one. That's secured like 50 points on that. Put our stop at this top of this fair value gap. So if we come above this fair value gap, we'll get out. No, mine. I just ran one micro with one for 22 ticks and took it. What happened? So I don't think. So whenever something weird happens, I don't think it's a bot. I think it's freaking Rhythmic being weird with stuff. But today, here was Methodical, man. This was. Here's the 929 candle. Placed a short right here and then got filled right there. I'd be curious to see what your event log looks like if you still have your quant hour open. All right, we're out. So I'm pretty sure these two contracts would have brought us out of the green because it was like 50 and 40 points. So that's $200, right? Yeah, so that would have brought us out of the green because we were down 40. So, but regardless, we also had that. I accidentally placed a 3 mini short, and we kind of made some money on this Bullinox account here. But the total. Yeah, so we're up 420 on the day with that. We didn't mean to do that. Kind of doing good lately, huh? Yo, blaze it. 420, bro. Yeah, it's got to be something with the settings or... definitely, we need to look in your event log, though. That's where it shows stuff. It will show, like, if it tried to place an order or if it refused it or whatever. Oh, I gotta go. I have a work call coming in. But yeah, pretty damn good end of the week. Great Friday. Methodic man, I'll send you a message when I'm free. But I gotta answer this call. But you guys have a good weekend, and we'll catch you guys next week on Monday. Later.